Oh. You had trouble getting up. You just brought your fox in. I thought you'd toss that around a bit. But no, you're going to chew on your little ball. Got your fox right next to you, though. Silly boy. You love those things. There's the girl drinking the green water. Hi, Keela. Yeah. Green water. Oh, there goes Pooh's ball. Over to the water. Oh, Boo. Yep, get it back in the nest. Oh, where did it go? There it is. There it is. Back to the nest again. Yeah. You're like a crow with all your little sparklies, except in your case it's all the little balls. You're a funny boy.